What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on WLD, because this coin is really forming really interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about exact trade that I'm planning to take on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start on the 1 hour chart. You can see that we are currently breaking this trend line, and usually I would say that I am waiting here for a support confirmation. But above this resistance, we have this next resistance area, which is between 2.63 and 2.52. And if we look on the 4 hour chart, for example, you can see that this is like historically really important resistance, because above that we have historically zero liquidity. So if there will be that breakout and support confirmation, then I think that there can be a really good opportunity for opening a long position. So right now, even if there will be that support confirmation on the 1 hour chart, I don't want to open here a long position, because as I said, the next important resistance is here in this area, so the risk reward ratio is not that good. But if there will be that breakout and support confirmation, then I think that there can be a really good opportunity for opening a long trade. And in this case, stop loss you can put somewhere back under this current resistance area, and the take profit target is like pretty hard to tell, because as I said, we historically had zero liquidity here, so you can choose whatever risk reward ratio you want. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. As I said, I would enter a long position after support confirmation of this resistance area. Do not enter after breakout, because there is like really big probability of a fake out, so the price will do, let's say, something like this. So you always want to wait for that support confirmation. Stop loss you can put, as I said, under this resistance area, and the last take profit target, yeah, this is like pretty hard to tell, because historically we don't have here any important resistances, but you can take multiple take profit targets. You can see that the RSI indicator on the 4 hour chart is currently undervalued, because we are on the level 48.6 approximately, so we are under that 50 mark. So some of the profits you can, for example, take when the RSI will go above the 80 mark, so it will be like overbought. But in my opinion, some, let's say, more safe risk reward ratio here can be, let's say, around 11-12, because as I said, there is like really high probability that after that support confirmation we will have here a pump. And in my opinion, the last take profit target can be, let's say, the level approximately 4.30, which can give you like estimated net profit around 62%, and the risk reward ratio will be around 12. But if you will take multiple take profit target, the risk reward ratio will be like, of course, lower, let's say around 9 to 10, maybe 8. It will depend on how many take profit targets you will choose, but it's still a pretty good trade. Of course, you can choose like higher take profit targets if you think that this coin is gonna go higher. You can, for example, set, let's say, the $7 mark, but in my opinion, this is like definitely a long-term trade, but in my opinion, there is not that high probability that we will go actually reach this lower level. So I think that there can be a pump, but I'm thinking that like the 60% of the net profit is like the maximum you can get, let's say, in the upcoming month. But as always, I need to remind you that there is absolutely zero guarantee that this coin is gonna reach these higher levels. So it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take on the risk reward ratio too, and then move your stop loss to entry. So if there is some price reversal, you are still closing your position into a profit. And if this coin will pumping like up and up and up, you are still in a bigger profit. So it's like a win-win situation. On the other hand, there is also an opportunity for a short trade, but in my opinion, this short setup is not that good. But if you want to, let's say, make some short trade here, this is probably the best possible setup that you can get here on the 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart. So if there will be that breakout of this current resistance area, but it will be just a fake out and we confirm resistance again under this resistance area, then you can enter a short position. The stop loss you need to put above the high that we will create after a breakout. That's the technique I'm using like almost in every trade that I'm doing, but I'm usually doing it with long setups. But yeah, I'm revealing this strategy in these videos really often, so if you are watching it, you know the drill. And the last take profit target you can put above these bullish order blocks on the 1-hour chart, so above the level approximately 1.52. But in my opinion, there is like not that high probability that we will go actually reach these lower levels. I think pretty safe bet is this previous week high, which can give you like risk reward ratio of 3.8. And if you will like choose multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is not even that good. It will be like, let's say around 2.5 or something like that, maybe even 2. So yeah, according to risk reward ratio, this setup is in my opinion not that good. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to know about my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.